Ever had that sinking feeling when your car starts to sputter? Or the frustration of seeing that dreaded check engine light blink on? No need to worry, Tuffy Auto Lake in the Hills is here to save the day. We're your one-stop solution for all your car troubles. With our honest repairs, fair prices, and friendly service, we're committed to getting you back on the road. Our highly skilled mechanics are ready to help. So don't let a car problem slow you down. Reach out to Tuffy Auto Lake in the Hills and schedule your appointment today.